Hi, it's me, Gareth, from Port Monkeys, and today we are on the Regal Princess, and we are cabin E406 Emerald Deck, which is Deck 8. And my door's just opened, and I didn't win a Princess prize. Oh, look. It's Janet's birthday. Well, not today. We have one of those. Muster station. They use these, to turn on the electricity, but they just leave that in there the whole time. It's not ours. So we're going to start here. This is a Deluxe balcony obstructed. Deluxe balcony obstructed cabin on Deck 8. Janet's out there on the balcony, on the Deluxe balcony obstructed. So let's go into the bathroom first. And it's got 3 sort of large shelves and an outlet for your razor. 2 glasses, hand soap, lotion, mirror, towels, toilet. Toilet paper is tucked back in there. Of course, there's a spare roll and a trash can, tissues, to flush close lid. It's a shower, and it's a normal size princess shower. It's not any bigger, I don't think. Although it does seem, I'm not touching the shower curtain. It does have shower gel and hand soap. So I think one of these should have been shampoo, no? Anyway. It also has a clothesline. So you can dry your clothes. So when it's not humid in here from somebody taking a hot shower, this thing keeps it pretty dry in here. By the way, the shower head is removable. I always like that. Oh, it's also full of water. And it's adjustable. If you turn this, you can slide it up, you can slide it down. And now my arm's all wet. It also has this knob, turns the water on and off, so water pressure. And then this knob is temperature. And if you can see those numbers, that's 35, that's 38, and it locks at 38. And you push this little button, and you can go up to 45 and 50 and beyond. Now that's Celsius, so 38 is about 100 degrees. Do you know how warm your shower is at home? Because I don't. We've got robes, standard size closet, plenty of hangers. If you're sitting in your cabin and you hear a gentle knocking, sometimes it's this. When the ship is rocking. It has a closet, and our cabin has a safe that isn't working. I think it needs a new battery. So we're going to call somebody. Lots of shelves. Big shelf up here. Life jackets. Let me close this. Thermostat, of course, no numbers on the thermostat. Queen size bed. We're on the Regal Princess, remember. There are drawers and a little cubby hole. No USB ports and no outlets. I moved the bed, and these lamps are plugged into what I think is a European style round outlet, and they're like into the wall. So, you might be able to unplug them, and you might be able to get an adapter, right? But they are European style. They're round. Both sides. So no USB. There is storage under the bed for your luggage, right? So make sure. There's other suitcases over on that side. It looks like, there's indentations on both sides, and I guess there are, but it's a pretty comfortable bed. Now, a balcony deluxe on Princess means you get a couch, and you know, it's more of a love seat, and it's a big chair. It's a small love seat even. And this particular one folds out into a single bed, twin bed. So this room sleeps 3. Got this piece of artwork. I think this is hanging out in the hall somewhere with somebody's name on it. They haven't named it in here. Got a table, trash can, a vanity chair, but no drawer here. It has one European style outlet. This is what I meant by round. That's what's behind the bed down there. And 2, you know, USA, American outlets, 110, 120, whatever. We always bring one of these things, a couple of these, just in case. Telephone, mirror with a light. It has a drawer here. Whoa, and Janet's filled it up, but there's a blow dryer in that drawer. This came with the ship. This has been added by us. Refrigerator. That's an ice bucket with some ice in it. And it's cold in here. I guess it could be colder. We are supposed to have a minibar set up, but it still hasn't come, although this is the first full day of the cruise. Balcony. So, deluxe balcony obstructed, remember. So it's got 2 chairs that recline. Bless you.
Thank you.
And a table. And that's deck 7 down below. So you can walk out there, unless they've got it closed off. It's a little breezy today. We're in the Caribbean. Cuba was on the other side of the ship this morning. This is what they mean by obstructed. Okay? Now, these balconies further down, they are definitely obstructed by lifeboats. We just have it to the side. I don't know if they call these other cabins obstructed or anything up there. That is the seawalk. And yes, somebody could stand up there and look down at us, I suppose. I actually haven't seen anybody up there yet. But if I were to sit here, that's our view. So see the obstruction there. Let's go back inside and finish up. Finish up, I mean, let's look at the television. So, Princess TVs are, well, they're better than Holland America and better than Carnival, I imagine, than Royal Caribbean, because Princess gives you a ton of free movies. Now, they're not very new, but they're free and they're on demand. So you don't have to wait for Ad Astra to be playing. Well, my remote's not working. How about 13 minutes? Oh, how about Ad Astra? See, play. Or you can watch the trailer. Push the back button. And we go back. Also, they have live TV. And on this particular ship, they have these channels. So what is that? 12 channels? Okay. Go back. They also have several TV series, including The Love Boat and some destination videos. So, and of course this is where you would watch the bridge cam, set your language. You can make reservations here. Medallion class, Princess prizes. Hey, I won $25 at my door this morning. Cool, huh? Look at your account, and so on. The wake show. Anyway, that's the television. So, from the Regal Princess, I'm Gareth. That's Janet. And we'll see you in the next port. Bye.
Welcome aboard. We're so happy to see you.
So we are boarding the Regal Princess in the port of Fort Lauderdale, and it took just about an hour and a half from the time we got dropped off to get to this point. So we're still actually not on the ship, but we're almost there. And it's the Regal Princess. I think I just said that. We're going on a 12-day Caribbean cruise. Repositioning actually to Galveston, Texas. Hi! Are you taking our picture? I'm taking yours. Although mine's video. Anyway, enjoy your cruise. So here's the piazza and all the welcome aboard signs, and we're going to go up this spiral staircase, see what's up. So we were just on deck 6. We boarded on deck 6. That must be Ocean Terrace up there, and Bellini's there, and it looks like crooners, and boy, they are playing some music loud. And this must be the Future Cruise area. So we just need to go up a little further. Future Cruise. Anyway, so there should be stairs right here.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fabulous.
Did you find the steps?
Up. Up. Enjoy your cruise.
Yes, sir. Welcome to board.
We're headed to our cabin. And our cabin this time is only on deck 8. And it should be, I don't know, right over here? Let's see. Emerald deck. This way. Hey, look. I don't think mine are on this ship, but you know, who knows?